was determined and left with a grunt. To get the kitten back, they would have to do a stunt. So Red built a ramp and built it quite high. Now Bluefish could ride and jump into the sky. Blue and the kitten were both safe and sound. They had never been so happy to be on the ground. Redfish wore a costume and blocked off the track. If the little crab stopped moving, they could get the apples back.
Oh. Huh?
Music started playing from inside the tents as the ringleader welcomed all ladies and gents. He promised them drama, excitement, and action, and directed their attention to the very first attraction. It was a tightrope, one that went higher. Now Red and Blue had to balance on the wire. Nervous.
Confident. Oh, yeah.
But that wasn't it. No, that wasn't all. They'd juggle some items and try not to fall.
Okay.
Hooray! Redfish and Bluefish gave a big sigh. No matter what they did, the baby would still cry.
Cry.
The starfish were about to finish the race. Now Red and Blue would never win first place. Redfish decided to try one last thing. They could use the flags to give them a fling. Redfish and Bluefish came in first place, and they got the trophy for winning the race.